All right, what's going on, guys? So today is another honeymoon phase video, and this is the Galaxy Z Flip 4. And you know who else really loves the Z Flip 4? Our sponsors. Still, nobody. Now, I'm really excited for this product because I enjoyed my time with the Z Flip 3 last year and the Z Fold 3. And I actually kept the Z Fold 3, and I have it here with me today. But I also have the new Galaxy Buds and the new Fold 4. I'm going to showcase the Z Flip 4 in this video. These products will have their own separate review, so if you want to watch them in the future, I guess, then get subscribed. But let's go ahead and get this unboxed. But first, we have to give credit where credit is due. So where was this box made? This box was label printed in Korea, as you guys can see. Come on, focus. So label printed in Korea. Look at that, we got a full Korean phone. Now let me go ahead and get my unboxing knife. The funny thing is I'm off camera and you guys can probably hear everything that I'm doing right now. And I'm just sharpening my knife for this unboxing video. Torianix, I don't know what this is called. Anyway, let's get this thing unboxed, right? I can't wait to switch over to this phone. I low-key love Samsung. All right. God, I miss this phone so much. If it wasn't for the Fold, I would have the Flip. Wait, is this all that comes in the box? Okay, whew, I was about to say, like, this is really light. All right, so this is pretty much everything that we get in the box here. You know, we have the top to bottom cover. Paperwork and cable, so pretty standard. Samsung, please tell me you fixed this issue because the way you guys do plastic wrap on your devices, it's a little much. Okay, so see, it's a little much. All right, so we take this part off first. Ooh, baby. I love this phone. Look how beautiful this is. Can we appreciate Samsung for a second and their designs? Look at that. Samsung, I love you guys. I know you're not a sponsor and it would be amazing to sponsor me, but I love you guys. I think this is the blue. Let me see what the box says. Blue 128 gigabyte model. And God, this thing is beautiful, man. Oh my God. Look at the side railing on this thing. All right, so first impressions while my fingers are getting antiquated with this device. I will say the outside material feels more grippier. I feel as though last year's it had like a glass finish to it. This definitely feels more solid in the hand. Solid meaning that it doesn't feel as slippery. It feels like it's actually hugging my fingers really well, or my hand in general. This secondary screen that you see right here, it's still glass and it's very smooth. I miss that, man. God. I love this phone. Oh my God, the hinge. Let me talk about the hinge for a second. I feel as though there's more resistant with this hinge when you close it. Like it feels more resistant. Oh God. And then when you open it, it's not as hard to open it either. Let's go around the device real quick. So as you can see here on this side, we have the lock button with the volume controller right above it. Then on the other side, all we really have is our antenna band and the SIM card tray. And then on the bottom, and also the top as well, we have a USB-C port for charging. God, I really have to, you guys can't feel this, but this feels so good. And I just realized I've been touching this entire phone and I haven't even smelled it yet. So, oh my God, the way the animations look on this phone, Samsung, you're killing me. Oh my God, this smells disgusting. I'm probably yelling so loud. This is worse than Apple. This is disgusting. That smells like fish, like dead fish. The top isn't so bad. The top smells like traditional cardboard, but that's disgusting. If my friends ever come over, smell this and vouch for me that oh my God, that's actually fish. Oh, that's actually fish. Let me see what the device smells like. Okay, the device? Okay, it might be the lotion I'm wearing, but I mean, this smells amazing. It smells like vanilla. All right, so let's talk about this device in a little bit more detail for people who aren't too familiar with it. So on the outside, the phone is closed and you're probably thinking to yourself, how can I actually use this device? Well, Samsung has an outside display that you can just double tap here and it's basically like a mini display. So you just hold your finger or your thumb or wherever your fingerprint is, and it'll actually unlock the outside display. You can swipe through different menus. So this one, you can have your music controls playing, or not playing, but you can control your music. This is for stuff that is dealing with a timer. This is the one that I use the most. It's the actual timers themselves. I misspoke. These are alarms, I should say. These are timers. You can have different presets here. This is what I used a lot for work. You can have a calendar, and this is weather information right now. I don't have it set up with my location. And you can also add different widgets as well. So you can add today's schedule. Sorry, I'm backing up a little bit. You have today's schedule, oh, locked, so just touch my fingerprint there. This looks to be things that are with your calendar. So if you want to see, if it's, whoever's birthday or, lunch with a friend, you can see that on the outside. Let me go ahead and keep going. So we have steps for activity. We have, I guess, favorite contacts. And then this looks to be routines for smart home. And that's essentially the outside display. There's not much to it. I will say this default screen that you see here, it's not my favorite. It's probably my least favorite, to be honest. I'm gonna change this so I can show you guys. Oh, look at that. So these are the notifications as well. And you can just probably scroll through this. God, I love this thing. Oh my God, there's so many customizations now. So these are all the things you can customize on the outside display. And I mean, Samsung is no secret to their animations. Like I said, the basic clock ones are not my favorite. It's the graphical ones at the bottom that are mine. So, okay, relax, little butterfly. I think I use this one the most. It was either like a monkey that showed up sometimes. Okay, we got Pixar up in here. I like it. And this one's kind of plain. Oh, I use this one all the time because every time you unlock your phone, it looks different. Here, I'll show you. God, I love this phone. Look, I'm gonna lock it. If I can click down on it. Lock it, unlock it. Lock it, unlock it. Okay, you're there too much. I need a new one. Look at Mr. Potato. Did I really just say potato when it looks like a tomato when I meant to say tomato? This one's also pretty nice. It's more of an animated clock. We have, okay, we got this one. This is my favorite right there. I don't know. This one right here is kind of crazy. Now, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Apple could never, no. This is beautiful. There's nothing more I can say to this. Now, let's actually start using the phone and seeing what it's like. The one issue, and I do mean the one issue I had using this phone last year was that the phone felt a little bit skinny in the hand to hold versus a traditional phone here, the S21. So you can see, if the camera zooms in here, it looks like this year they kind of slimmed it down, and I'm not sure if the dimensions have changed, but it feels a lot better than last year's in terms of how it feels in the hand. And I don't know if it's because of this material on the back from what I said earlier, but it just feels more natural to hold. And beautiful, man. All right, let's walk around a city. All right, I think we're good. So Samsung isn't a stranger to having good displays. I will say, however, that this display doesn't look as vibrant as like my S21 or even like the earlier S22 that came out earlier this year. I said earlier twice, but regardless, I mean, the display is good, right? Samsung makes really good displays, but I wouldn't say it's anything as good as what's on their flagship phones. Probably because of this folding display, but the nice thing is, you know, you can watch your videos like this. Okay, YouTube crashed, obviously, so I guess that's a sign. Let's go to the camera. The camera is a place where there is a lot that can happen. It's probably the biggest marketing reason for this phone is the camera and how you can interact with it with the foldable mechanics. So the nice thing is, if you look at the phone now, it looks like a traditional camera, right? In the camera app. The nice thing is though, if you fold it, it turns into almost like a camcorder, right? And you have the image up here, but you have your camera settings down here. And the thing that you can do that makes it really nice is you can flip the camera, and now I'm basically talking to myself. All right, so this is the front-facing camera on the Galaxy Z Flip 4. We're creasing numbers really quick, but I would say for a smartphone that is hitting the 4-digit category, you would expect the camera to look really good. And I would say for a front-facing camera, that fact that this is recording in 4K 30 and looks this good, I mean, it's no surprise. It's Samsung. They know what to do. But what makes this phone really special is using this on the opposite side. So let me go ahead. Can I flip it on the fly? That'd be crazy if I can. Okay, we're moving up. So as you guys can see right now, this is Samsung's way of how you should record your videos. Almost as if it's like a camcorder. For people who are young, you probably don't know what a camcorder is, but camcorders, you hold it like this and it gives you more stability. So for example, right, I'm walking and it just looks really steady. Now, as you can see, this is the view that I have, and this is the camera on the back of the phone now. I think it looks spectacular. Probably not anything like S22 Ultra, but I would say this is definitely an upgrade from what I saw last year on the phone. And we can still do the ultra wide. Oh, wow, I gotta blur out the street right there. Let me zoom back in. All right, flip it on the fly, and it's just like, this is a phone for people who really want to get into social media. I don't want to say get into social media, but it just makes it a lot more flexible in that way. I got a little bit carried away with the video there, but let's take some photos, right? Okay, so let's do it the way Samsung wants it. So I'll put it on the table here. And as you guys can see, this is what happened. I'll put it on the table here. Let me look a little bit more down. We'll go like this. Okay, go like this. So you can see my finger a little bit, but like I said, Samsung is no stranger to smartphone cameras. Like I said before, I wouldn't say this is on par with their traditional flagship phones like the S22, S21, but it's passable. Wow, look at that dent in my hair. What the heck is going on there? But yeah, I'd say this is passable. This is the portrait one, so you know, the people who love the blurred background effect, you know, it's doing its job. Yeah, look good. Looks good. So for TikTokers or people who do YouTube Shorts, which I'm not there yet, you can place the phone on the table like so, right? And just do like this. I'm gonna make a TikTok real quick. Hey guys, this is my first fake TikTok, fake YouTube Short, and I'm going to unbox the I always drop stuff, man. Take 2. All right, so this is my unboxing of the Galaxy Z Flip. I meant to say Z Fold. Oh my God. Take 3. All right, guys, this is my unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which I recently got. Get over here. Recently got. I'm super excited to unbox this, guys. But yeah, make sure you follow my fake Twitch. TikTok. I'm done. I can't do this. So now let's go back to YouTube and play a song. Okay, I can't watch this and listen to it at the same time. These crabs are going crazy on the beach. I will say for the speakers, I would be very happy with these speakers. The bass isn't punchy. Let me see if I can turn on that good old Dolby Atmos, because that's what people always tell me to do. I would actually say it sounds better with Dolby Atmos on, but like I said before, stop. I would say that it sounds better with Dolby Atmos on, but it definitely depends on the content that you're playing. It sounds more open when I had Dolby Atmos on while I was playing that video. But overall, I would say I would be pretty happy with these speakers. The one thing that I haven't touched on at all while using this phone is the crease in the middle. You guys can, I mean, I can barely notice it. I haven't noticed it at all, probably because they're using this background here. But for honeymoon phase, man, Samsung, you won me over. However, ow, my leg. All right, but this is my unboxing, first impressions, honeymoon phase of the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Starts at $999, I believe, in the US. And I will say what I really like about Samsung is their bespoke edition. So that means you can basically customize it how you want versus just the traditional colors that the manufacturer provides. Although with the bespoke edition, you're using the customizations that the manufacturer provides as well, but it adds a little bit more uniqueness to it as well. But I mean, I feel as though I'm really going to love this device because I loved it once I got a little bit adjusted to the flip mechanics of it. And it was one of my favorite devices of last year for sure, especially the Fold as well. But I'm gonna use this phone for a while, then I'll give you guys my full review later on in the upcoming weeks. Let me know if you guys are interested in foldable devices yourself. I really wish Apple would make foldable devices because it seems like there's no real harm to making foldable devices, right? What I like about what Samsung is doing is that they're still pushing strong with their flagship phones. You know, let me not get into this because this is not a review. This is a honeymoon phase. Okay, so I'm wrapping things up. I will say though, nope, we're wrapping this up. I'm out. If you want to see more content on the Galaxy Z Flip 4, please get subscribed. If you want to see the full review of it, please get subscribed because it's going to be in the upcoming weeks. And as always, guys, for my iPhone people, I'm sorry, but you're about to see the green bubble and I don't feel bad because man, oh man, that close is just amazing. I appreciate every single sub, like, and comment. And as always, guys, much love. Fold 4 coming next. I can't wait, man. This is just the greatest week. And the watches are coming in and I got the buds. Like, I'm in the Samsung ecosystem. Oh, Samsung, if you're watching this, I know you can see brands in this video and, you know, it'd be nice if I could showcase your smartphones and the earbuds with the Samsung TV. So if you want to provide me with like a, you know, an 8K TV, QLED, mini LED, you know, that'd be great. Putting it out there. But, you know, sponsor would be nice. All right, I'm out. Peace.